Good morning. How are you? I think you all are well and safe at home. Are you waiting for my period? Okay. Yesterday I taught you nouns. They are of two types, proper and common. Now, from today we are starting our book. तो first chapter है उसमें poem, The Little Plant. You know about the plant. They are green in color. They are very useful to us. They give lots of things and you also know how they grow. But in this chapter, we are going to learn how they come out of the seed through poem. Okay. So you also know that the plant need sunshine, soil and water to grow. So here is the poem. You have to recite with me. In heart of a seed, a buried deep, so deep, a tiny little plant lay fast asleep. Wake, said the sunshine, and creep to the light. Wake, said the voice of the sun drops bright. The little plant heard and it rose to see what the wonderful outside world might be. The poet of this poem is Kate Louise Brown. So I think you have learned this poem. Na? You have to learn this poem. You have to say this poem twice or thrice at home. Once again I am repeating. In In the heart of a seed, buried deep, so deep, a tiny little plant lay fast asleep. Wake, said the sunshine, and creep to the light. Wake, said the voice of the raindrops bright. The little plant heard, and it rose to see what the wonderful outside world might be. Now, you have to decide daily at home in front of the parents. So, in this poem, what the poet is saying, in the seed, there is a little plant and it was buried deep in the soil. When it gets sunshine from the sun and water from the rain, it starts growing out of the seed and it comes out of the soil. And you see a tiny little plant coming out of the soil. It is very simple and lovely poem. You know? So there are hard words also. So you have what you have to do when I give you homework, but you have to do in classwork. You have to write the name of the poem, The Little Plant. The poet name is Kate Louise Brown and you have to write whole poem. Okay? Those who have not purchased the book, they can see from the pic I will send you. Okay? But try to buy as soon as possible. Now repeat hard words in front of me. Buried, it means put deep into the ground. Lay, was laying in a flat position. Creep, move slowly. Bright, shining. Rose, moved from a lower position to higher position. उठना, इसको बोलते हैं ना उठना. So ये आपके हार्ड वर्ड्स रहेंगे. इसका भी I will send you pic. You have to write in your notebook and give heading word meaning. So I hope you enjoyed the poem. You want to recite this poem once more with me? Okay. In the heart of a seed, buried deep, so deep, a tiny little plant lay fast asleep. Wake, said the sunshine, and creep to the light. Wake, said the voice of the sun drops bright. The little plant heard and it rose to see what the wonderful outside world might be. You want me to explain this poem also? Okay. When the seed was buried in the soil and he was sleeping, suddenly he heard a voice, and it was of sunshine. It said, wake up, and seed started creep to the light. लाइट की तरफ मूव करने लगा. अगेन उसको आवाज आती है, वेक सेड द वॉइस. अब किसकी आवाज थी ये? रेन ड्रॉप्स की. रेन ड्रॉप्स ने भी कहा वेक अप. आपकी मम्मा भी उठाती है ना आपको घर पे, वेक उठो. ऐसे ही सीड को भी जो सोया हुआ था ना सॉइल के अंदर, उसको सनशाइन ने आवाज लगाई और वो उसकी लाइट की तरफ मूव करने लग गया. अगेन इट हर्ड द वॉइस ऑफ रेन ड्रॉप्स एंड इट स्टार्टेड ग्रोइंग. उसको सनलाइट भी मिल गया, रेन ड्रॉप भी मिल गया, सॉइल में वो बरीड था. जैसे ही प्लांट ने सुना और वो बाहर निकला सीड के, वॉट ही सॉ द वंडरफुल वर्ल्ड आउटसाइड. बाहर आके उसने देखा कि वर्ल्ड तो बहुत सुंदर है, बहुत ब्यूटीफुल है. अब आपको वर्ड मीनिंग्स भी याद करना है, पोएम भी याद करना है. वर्ड्स मैडम देंगी तो आपको मीनिंग उसका लिखना आना चाहिए. सो यू हैव टू लर्न द स्पेलिंग्स विद द मीनिंग्स. Then I will give you some book exercise also. Now, in this exercise you have true, false. I will send you pic, but when you have book, you can copy down sentences from the book and answers true and false. Now, then question answer also I will give you. But in this chapter, there are few exercises on noun that you already know from my first video. Noun, proper noun, common noun. So you have to underline or sort out these nouns and pronouns. Again in this exercise, we have played the game now, name, place, animal and thing. In this book also exercise, we have the game. In this a box is given. You have to sort out name of person, animals and thing. That also I will send you through pic. And you have to complete your book exercise and classwork copy. Classwork copy में आपको poem का लिखना है, full poem, question answers, word meaning and true false. Rest exercise of noun you can do in book as homework because you know everything about noun. So I hope you enjoyed this poem, and till then you have to recite the poem daily at home. Are you interested to listen the poem once more with me? Yes? So let us revise the poem once more. In the heart of a seed, buried deep, so deep, a tiny little plant lay fast asleep. Wake, said the sunshine, and creep to the light. Wake, said the voice of the raindrops bright. The little plant heard, and it rose to see what the wonderful outside world might be. Kate Louise Brown. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed the poem. It is very simple. You have to learn this poem and you have to recite this poem in the class when we meet. Till then, goodbye. Enjoy your day. Bye.